I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos from scratch. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or chicken, and a bag of your favorite tortilla chips. Don't forget to chop up fresh toppings such as 1 cup of diced tomatoes, half a cup of red onion, and a 1/4 cup of sliced jalapenos. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you'll be ready to assemble your masterpiece. Now let's get cooking. Brown your 1 pound of ground beef or chicken in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Remember to drain any excess fat to keep your nachos from being greasy. While that's happening, you can start on your creamy cheese sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour, then gradually add 1½ cups of milk and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese until smooth. It's time for the fun part, assembly. Grab a large baking sheet and spread out about half of your tortilla chips in an even layer. Next, spoon half of your seasoned ground meat and half of your warm cheese sauce over the chips. Sprinkle on some of your prepared toppings, like a 1/4 cup of diced onions and a 1/4 cup of jalapenos. Repeat these layers with the remaining ingredients to build a truly epic nacho pile. Almost there. Place your loaded baking sheet into the preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly, and the chips are slightly crispy. Once out of the oven, garnish your nachos with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, and a scoop of homemade guacamole. Serve them immediately to enjoy the ultimate warm, cheesy, and flavorful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.